Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have asked me, where is the AUC sensor? The air conditioning sensor, the quality sensor, the one that measures air quality, well, the sensor in the 46, if you face the engine and you are going to see this headlight on the left, as I say as you were, well, you have it here. This sensor is the AUC sensor, which would be located above the viscous carcass. Here you have it. Because many times it fails because of the sponge, it gets sturdy, and as I say, let's see. Here, this would be the piece. This is an e46, in the 60s it is also usually there, but a little lower, and sometimes covered by a plastic, and sometimes it can look at it a bit. But hey, you are going to see it around here, and in the e39 it is usually in this position, on this side. Always look from the exit. You are going to see here a series of cables that go to the electric fan. And it will not be more than 20 centimeters away. Well, this is the video. I hope it has clarified any doubts, and well, if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.